on board the management of Vakrangee, and we'd like to understand whether or not they're under the SEBI scanner, as reports seem to be indicating for alleged price and volume manipulation. Dinesh Nandwana, who's the CMD at Vakrangee, he joins us on the show right now. Dinesh, morning. Your market valuations got eroded by almost 50%. How worried are you about the possible reasons why the market may be dumping your stock? Are you in the know?
See, definitely, if you see my as a management side, I personally cannot comment on the market capitalization or share price value. But definitely, I am worried. I am also invested in the company. I am owning the 42% in the equity, and lots of investors are having the faith on us, and they have invested after seeing my past performance. So definitely, it's a worrying for me. Definitely. But I can assure you that as far as Vakrangee's operational side is concerned, there is no problem at all. We are doing fantastically well. We have already opened 44,000 Vakrangee cans. We have given the guidelines by Vision. We have given guidelines in the Vision 2020 document, where we have promised to have the top line of $2 billion with 17-18% EBITDA margin, with 11-12% PAT margin. So again, I am assuring you, we will complete that parameters even before 2020. So as far as company is concerned, company is fully corporate governed company. Company is having the 6 independent director out of independent director. So if you see the board, corporate governance is headed by the government governance is seen by the R.M. Joshi, who was the ex-executive director of the SEBI. He was the director in the Reserve Bank of India. So he is looking after our corporate governance. We are having the big 4 auditor. We are full tax paying company. We paid 1,000 crore rupee in last 5 years. We paid 1,000 crore rupee in last 5 years. We paid our dividend policy is already in place. We paid 127 crore as a dividend in the last year. We already released the we are having the 1,500 crore as a treasury fund. We have already released the treasury policy. Then we are shortly releasing the capital allocation policy also. So there is no single shares is pledged by the management, by the me or management. So this is a fully compliant company. So I am assuring you, there is no problem from the company side. There is no problem from the corporate governance side.
So what is the current financial situation of your company, and how much cash on books, and what kind of debt levels do you have?
You see, if you see, previously I was having 1,150 of total loan in debt in the balance sheet. Right now I am 100% fully debt-free company. There is not a single debt on the company. Not only debt, we are having the 1,500 crore as a treasury fund. So there is no problem at all as far as cash liquidity is concerned, balance sheet is concerned. And in current year, we promised to have a 50,000 Vakrangee Kendra. We have already opened 44,000 Vakrangee cans and already identified the 7,000 Vakrangee cans. So we have given the target of 50,000 to open Vakrangee cans by 31st March 18. So definitely we will complete that before that only.
Right. You know, a news body in Mumbai, Mirror publication, alludes to an investigation by SEBI on your company for manipulating share prices. What has been the inquiry made by SEBI, if you can throw light on that, with you so far, or any other official from the company?
See, if you see, you must be knowing the procedures of the company, of the procedure of the investigation of the share price or volume. If there is a big change in the volume and there is a big change in the price, that definitely regulatory body can investigate. That is their prerogative. Then they are having the right to investigate. But as far as if prima facie they feel there is something wrong, then they only then they issue the show cause notice or communication to the management or company something. I never issued whatever this media article claims. I never issued. Company didn't receive any communication from the NSE, BSE or SEBI. If you see that this article itself, the what I don't know, but article itself says, however, the SEBI concluded no adverse interference is drawn and recommended that the investigation may not pursue this matter any further. It means what is the meaning of this article then? There may be allegation, anybody can allege anything, but what is important is the conclusion. So conclusion clearly says there is nothing wrong inside. And if suppose there was something wrong, then I must have received any communication from the SEBI side. Even for the clarification also, I have also written to the SEBI to clarify the matter, because this is a matter of great concern to me, great concern to the investor. So I think they may clarify the matter.
Right. Well, that was the management of Vakrangee clarifying on ET Now as to this entire rumor which has been floating around about the SEBI inquiry.